Hello everyone, Ed here. Enjoying my backyard this evening. The sun is setting. June 9th, 2024. Looking at the clouds. Enjoying God's nature. Listening to God's nature. You can hear the catbird up in a tree singing his song. This catbird will sing all day in this one spot up here. And even in the middle of the night when I'm up, he's still singing. Right up in that tree. Just listen to him. Yeah, you can just hear that catbird singing away. Yeah, the sun's setting here now in Dover. June the 9th, 2024. Hope you enjoyed this little short nature video. It is nice being back here in the backyard in the evening. It's very relaxing. This is Ed. Everybody have a great evening or great morning or wherever you're at. God bless you all. Like and subscribe to my channel. Everybody have a great day. Later, people. And enjoy nature.